Oftentimes, when you interact with people who are shy or fear public speaking or shy away from social interactions and isolate, we refer to them as antisocial. We use antisocial loosely, not knowing that antisocial personality trait is a different and worse form of personality. You see how we are very interdependent. We depend on each other for support, for communication, for fulfillment, and other things. People with antisocial personality trait have no respect for others at all. They are socially irresponsible in the sense that they can violate your personal space with no remorse. They can damage, steal, beat you, do whatever they want against social norms and have no regret or guilt. People like that are called true antisocial personality. They may need medications management, they may need talk therapy, they may need behavioral therapy, they may need cognitive behavior therapy, they may need counseling. And those who associate with such people also need psychoeducation. They need education to understand the trait they are dealing with so they can handle it healthily. People with antisocial personality trait, we don't know what happens. Some think that it could be genetic mutation, it could be environmental influence on the person's development, it could also be hormonal or the way neurotransmitters are fired in the person's brain. There are several speculations about what brings about antisocial personality. I think we've all probably witnessed people who do things that are crazy and go against social norms and have no guilt, shame, or remorse. People like that are true antipersonal, personality traits. And there are gradients, it comes in different shades, different levels. Some may be so severe and even become armed robbers. Some could kill without having any guilt. Such personality traits begins in childhood, and as the patient or the person ages unto the teens or in their mid-20s, it becomes a full-blown personality that you can visualize or interact and experience. So if you are dealing with a person like that who is never remorseful for violating your social space or your property or anything like that, know that there are people like that, which is a type of personality trait and is called antisocial. Very different from how we casually, refer to people who isolate from social interactions as antisocial. It's so different. Those people are rather avoidant personality, or they have social anxiety, we can say, because they can't interact with people socially. But the true antisocial personality trait are traits you don't want to mess with. And if you're with someone who is exhibiting those traits, you need the education and the support to handle them. Otherwise, they will make you go crazy. There are several different species on this planet called Earth, and we come in different degrees and sizes. But you need to know and have the knowledge to be able to handle such people. People with antisocial personality trait, they cannot hold a job, they cannot have any meaningful relationships because they will violate you. Even in the work environment, they will steal, they will abuse with no guilt. So someone who has no guilt, how do you even correct them? How do you even help them out? They need psychotherapy, specifically cognitive behavior therapy. Some may need medication to lower the aggression so their impulses are inhibited and it doesn't interfere with their work or their relationships so they can function. The treatment depends on the degree of the impact and how functionally debilitating the person is. So if you have someone in your life you think is struggling with antisocial personality issues, take them to the healthcare to be evaluated so that they can receive timely and proper treatment. Thanks for watching.